Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system so updates won't break your workflow. Make a system restore point and confirm you have an administrator account. This lets you roll back drivers if needed. Once done, open Device Manager immediately by right-clicking Start or using Win+X, because that view lists hardware categories you will update. You need this window visible while you proceed. It saves time and avoids guessing which device needs a driver. Next, expand a category to start updating drivers one device at a time. You now focus on the detailed update steps. Right-click a device and choose Update Driver. Try Search automatically first to let Windows fetch WHQL drivers. If you need specific builds, browse to files you downloaded from the manufacturer. This ensures latest chipset, GPU, and network drivers. Make sure you pick the correct architecture, x64, and Windows 11 label. If a driver is unsigned, pause and verify compatibility. Unsigned installs can be allowed, but only after you understand the risks. You complete the process by verifying and addressing failures. Restart the PC after installing critical drivers, then reopen Device Manager to confirm no yellow warnings. Also check Windows Update history for driver packages. If a device misbehaves, roll back the driver from its properties page or restore the system point you created earlier. If rollback fails, boot to safe mode, uninstall the problematic driver, and reinstall a stable version. One key tip: if multiple devices break, use System Restore immediately to return to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.